Hello my guys, welcome to Prince KE channel. Okay guys, I know wondering what's happening here. We are doing manicure. That's our client. Tunataka kumfanya manicure. Oops gosh. See the nails. Watu kifua makucha na kwambia wengine wetu tulikuwa kwa line ya umbea. Wanaweza makucha. Smart sana. So there we go. We are soaking the nails. We want to drill them out. Whether we are doing manicure, tunatoa cuticles using drill. So that's our product. Antiseptic iko hapo. Kuna massage oil, kuna shower gel. Yes, naona. Kuna vitu ziko hapa, kuna scrubber, you get it? Yeah, our shampoo. Oops. Okay, it's fine. So there we go. That's our cuticle gel. Better guys, I will recommend you to use cuticle gel jogwe. You kipaka na usoku makucha within few minutes cuticles zimeamka very fast. That's our drilling machine. So you want to drill the cuticles out. Tutoe hizo cuticles watu wangare. So there we go. Nakwambia guys, are drilling this. Nakwambia hiyo machine si inatetemesha mikono. Sema client kucheka. Nakwambia inatetemesha mkono, client huwa ni kama inamtiko la anacheka tu kucheka, but sawa. Okay, watch the process as we proceed. So ndio tunatoa cuticles kutumia hii drill machine. It's good than cuticle pusher. And then guys, misikia shule netu anacha safi. Mimi naweza recommend tu mkuje shule juu we are dealing with professions. And you start to now apply scrub.